welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our October 2020 Look Fantastic subscription box. This has quickly become one of my favorite affordable subscriptions to unbox on our channel for you guys. So anyways guys, before we jump into the unboxing, the information, all of that, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So hopefully if you're having a bad day, this helps you, lifts you up a little bit. And we're here to have a good old time, guys. Remember, it's just makeup. It's just a subscription. We're just here to spread some love, peace, and happiness. So anyways, guys, I upload all the time. I'd love to have you as part of our Hot Mess crew. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I have a second channel, Hotmessmommabusiness Vlogs, where I've been uploading at least twice a week over there. Just a lot of Rhonda rambles in her PJs. So, and hauls, because I don't leave my house, so I do a ton of online shopping. Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so like I said, this is one of the most affordable boxes that I unbox on our channel. This is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. It is a monthly subscription. It's $19 a month. However, if you sign up for multiple months, like for example, 3 months, it is $18. 6 months, it's $17 a month, or if you sign up for 12 months, it is $16. I will have a link listed down below if you guys are interested in signing up for this subscription. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It is just a link to sign up, and it may even save you some money. So getting right into the box, it is one of those boxes that you guys know I love to receive, because I do like to re-gift these. You can decorate them, whatever it may be. So getting right into it, we do get a little pamphlet in here. Gives us a little information about everything that is in the box, retail value, tips, tricks, all of that as far as that goes. And again, like I said, this is the October box. So this is what the inside looks like. It's always got a little tissue paper with a sticker. And when we get right into it, ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, look at all that. This is like a great gift to yourself. Like, that's what I always say about subscriptions. Like, happy day to me. Okay, so the first item I see here is called Bubble Tea Bath and Body Earl Grey Bath Tea by Beauty. What? After a long day, fill your tub with this delicious sweet citrus aroma of British tea containing 100% of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this. Oh my gosh. I don't smell it. I'm gonna do this. You guys know I'm all about Epsom salt, relaxation. I love me my baths. This is awesome. So this Bubblelit Early Grey Bath Tea does say it's worth $5.99. That's one thing that I like, is they break it down and gives you the retail value of the size that you received. The next item in here is by Star Skin Eye Catcher. It's the Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. These are always really nice. Like, if you get dry under eyes, long day, you want to relax. I mean, look at this. Do I see a theme here? Like self-care, relaxation. This does have a retail value of $4.25. The next item in here, oh my gosh. It says glow and relax. I needed one of these. My button fell off the back of mine. This is a soft hair wrap, super absorbent hair towel. I love these. Oh, I love these so much. Oh my gosh, this is a really big, this is bigger than the one I have. This is so nice. It's so good for your hair. And the nice thing, I always heard that these help with your hair like not breaking or something. So I am super excited about that. I love that it's bigger, because the one I have now is kind of on the small side. Like, how nice is this? Oh my gosh. So as far as the retail value of this, it's $14.99. So again, guys, remember, this box, if you go monthly, is $19. You've already made your money back just with the 3 items. And we have like 3 more items to look at. So the next item I see here is the Overnight Foot Cream. Super important, guys. Take care of your feet. This is by Cooking. It's an overnight foot cream. It's worth $8.10. And as you guys can see, we're getting a nice size jar here. I think this is what I'm smelling. It is. It has like a eucalyptus or peppermint. It smells good. I'm gonna have to, I don't care. For my feet, I'm gonna put it on my hand. Oh yeah, I like that. That is going to feel so, is it the word invigorating? Like, I feel like it's gonna give my feet like this nice tingle. It smells so good. It's like pepperminty, eucalyptusy with a hint of some sort of fruit in there. It definitely has a menthol. It says menthol to soothe and cool the skin. Vegan and dermatologist tested. I love things like this. Like I have to have lotion on my feet every single night, guys. I don't care. I have to. And I like that. Plus, if you are a diabetic, you need to take care of your feet. Like super, super important. So, I mean, I can already feel like a really light, soothing tingle just on that little patch that I put on my hand. So happy about that. The next item I see in here, this is by Balance Me. This is a soothing serum because God forbid I know how to enunciate that word. It starts with a B. You guys see that? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Little information about this. The Balance Me Serum is 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. This has a retail value of $11, this little amount right here, which by the way, it does look that it is filled all the way up, which is very, very nice. Okay, the last item I see in here, ooh, this is by Terry. This is a really nice brand, guys, and this is, let's see here, what can we find out about it? This is the travel-friendly version of the By Terry Signature Lip Balm. Combines luxury and protection infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. Glides onto lips effortlessly, providing a subtle shine. Retail value $14 for this size. I think there might be a light rose scent, and yes, nice and pretty gloss. Ooh, I like that. Okay, like I said, guys, this box is $19. We got well over $19 worth of goodies in here. I love everything in here. You know, it's like I always tell you guys, when it comes to a subscription, you may not like every single item in the box, but I kind of took Hailey's approach on it and started looking at the box, and with what I will use, was it worth the money spent? And for me, $19 for this, I definitely feel like I will definitely be using a majority, if not everything in this box. So I definitely feel like it is worth the $19. Another thing that I feel like with the holiday season coming up, because you're not locked into a contract with a lot of any of the subscriptions that I actually unbox on our channel, the one thing I always think about is this would be an amazing gift to give, whether it be your mother, your mother-in-law, your sister, your sister-in-law, you know, your girlfriends, whatever it may be. These make wonderful, wonderful gifts. So definitely think about that as far as that goes when it comes to Christmas. $19 to give this as a gift, that includes shipping. I think anybody would be really happy with that. So to each their own, but little things that I like to talk about with you guys, and you know, give you guys those little ideas, because I mean, honestly, $19, were you going to be able to get this amount of products? Like, this is a perfect self-care box. So anyways, guys, if you guys are interested, like I said, in signing up for the Look Fantastic box for October, I do believe this is still available. I do not think it is sold out yet, the October edition. So if you want to get in there, you want to purchase this, check my link down below. Like I said, it's not an affiliate link or anything like that, and if, it's a way that you can just go ahead and sign up. If there is a way to save money on that, I will have that all down there below for you guys. So anyways, friends, let me know you guys' thoughts on this box. I love the fact, like I said, it's $19. We got all of this stuff. Anyways, don't forget, like I said, there is a giveaway going on our channel right now, so make sure to check out that video. You have to go over to that video in order to enter into the giveaway. If you guys like my sweater and you think it's cute, I do too. You guys told me about a cute little boutique called Madison and Mallory, and I went over there, I checked it out, I picked this up. This is in the size medium large. I also got it in black and I love it. It is super cozy and super cute, and they are actually YouTubers that started their own boutique line. You guys know I love to support small business owners, and it's a woman-owned brand, so like, hey girl, hey, woman empowerment, community over competition here, friends. I'll have the sweater linked down below for you guys as well. Until next time, as always, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.